There is a point where a motorhome stops feeling like a vehicle and starts feeling like a private building that happens to move. The 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome pushes straight toward that line. It looks enormous, expensive, and almost unreal, yet the most interesting part is not simply its size. The real surprise is how a machine this intimidating could turn brutal road capability into genuine long-distance comfort. This is the kind of concept aimed at travelers who do not want to choose between adventure and luxury. A normal premium RV gives you space. An expedition truck gives you toughness. A double-decker 6x6 based around Scania heavy-duty engineering suggests something more ambitious, the possibility of combining both worlds in one towering package. If this configuration reaches customers in the form imagined here, it would be less about weekend camping and more about carrying an entire lifestyle across countries. From the outside, the first impression is pure scale. The cabin sits high, the body rises above it, and 3 driven axles give the whole vehicle a planted, purposeful stance. Instead of looking like a stretched coach, it feels closer to a luxury command center built on a serious truck platform. Large windows could break up the massive side surfaces, while lower storage compartments would visually anchor the body and provide room for equipment, luggage, recovery gear, and outdoor furniture. Then your eyes move upward. That second level changes everything. A double-decker layout is not just a styling trick. It creates vertical space that ordinary motorhomes simply cannot match. Imagine the upper floor wrapped with panoramic glass, giving passengers a view over traffic, campsites, mountains, and coastal roads. At night, soft interior lighting behind those windows could make the vehicle look more like a moving penthouse than a conventional RV. Step inside, and the scale would finally make sense. The lower level could be organized around the practical side of travel: a spacious kitchen, dining area, bathroom, storage, and possibly a flexible guest zone. Instead of squeezing functions into narrow corridors, the width and height of the body would allow each area to breathe. Materials would need to feel premium without becoming fragile, because a vehicle designed to travel far still has to survive vibration, dust, temperature changes, and constant movement. The upper deck is where the luxury theme could become much stronger. Picture a quiet lounge with wide sofas, a flat floor, hidden storage, ambient lighting, and large windows positioned almost at eye level with the horizon. Farther back, there could be a private sleeping area separated from the social space. If designed intelligently, the second floor could give owners something rare in an RV: the feeling that daytime living and nighttime privacy are genuinely separated. Technology would matter just as much as furniture. A vehicle this large would likely depend on multiple camera views, parking sensors, navigation assistance, energy monitoring, climate zones, and a central control system for lighting, water, batteries, and onboard equipment. The goal would not be to fill the cabin with screens for the sake of it. The best systems would make an intimidating machine easier to manage, so the driver and passengers can focus on the journey instead of constantly checking separate controls. The driving environment would deserve attention. From a high Scania-style cab, visibility could be supported by large mirrors and a surround camera system, especially when judging the rear corners of such a tall body. Comfortable captain's seats, digital instruments, adaptive cruise assistance, and controls would matter more here than flashy decoration. Long journeys become exhausting when the driver has to fight the vehicle, so the best version of this motorhome would make its mass feel predictable. Air suspension could also help isolate the living area from broken pavement, while carefully tuned braking and stability systems would be essential for keeping thousands of kilograms calm during sudden changes in speed or direction. Of course, the 6x6 badge is what gives this idea its tougher personality. Scania has deep experience with heavy commercial vehicles, but no specific engine or output should be assumed for an unconfirmed motorhome configuration like this. What matters is the character such a setup implies: strong low-speed pulling ability, traction across loose surfaces, and the confidence to move a huge body where a normal luxury coach might struggle. 6 driven wheels would not make it an unstoppable off-roader, but they could dramatically expand where owners feel comfortable traveling. And that leads to the feature that could define the entire machine: independence. A motorhome at this level would make the most sense with large freshwater capacity, substantial battery storage, solar support, powerful inverters, generous fuel reserves, and systems designed for extended stays away from campsites. None of those capacities have been confirmed for this vehicle, but they are the technologies that would turn its size into real freedom rather than simple visual excess. There could also be room for features smaller RVs cannot easily justify. Think of a rear garage for bicycles or adventure equipment, exterior cooking equipment, expandable storage trays, a compact laundry setup, and perhaps a hydraulic leveling system that stabilizes the living space on uneven ground. The important thing is not how many luxury features can be added. It is whether every feature reduces friction when you are living on the road for days or weeks at a time. But a machine this extreme would come with compromises. Height becomes a constant concern around bridges, trees, tunnels, and covered parking. Weight can limit road access. Fuel use would likely be significant. Servicing would require facilities capable of handling a heavy truck, and maneuvering through old European streets or crowded campsites could be stressful. Even the most advanced camera system cannot make a vehicle physically smaller. Owning something like this would require planning, patience, and a driver who respects its dimensions. That is why this Scania concept is fascinating. It is not impressive simply because it is bigger than a typical RV. Its appeal comes from the way the double-decker body, heavy truck foundation, and 6x6 layout could solve different problems at the same time. One part creates living space, another creates durability, another creates traction. When those pieces work together, the result stops feeling like a luxury coach with extra wheels and starts feeling like a self-contained expedition residence. Remember the question from the beginning: what is the real surprise behind all that size? It is not a giant television, a marble countertop, or another expensive feature. It is the possibility that comfort and capability no longer have to sit at opposite ends of the motorhome world. If a 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 like this becomes reality, its greatest luxury may be the freedom to keep going when ordinary RVs have already turned back. Because the ultimate motorhome is not the one that looks richest while parked. It is the one that makes the world feel larger every time you start the engine. Subscribe to Jack Motorlux for more extraordinary vehicles built to push travel beyond the ordinary.